nigga.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Dread TV. So if you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit like, share, and subscribe. And as you can tell by the title of this video, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be organizing my closet and throwing away things that I don't wear anymore, never thought about wearing it again. I look past it every time I go in my closet. And as y'all can tell, my closet is kind of messy. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay guys, so I've never done this to the extent where I have like actually donated the clothes that I'm trying to throw away, but I'm actually going to donate clothes to those in need. Right now, we are all quarantining. It's currently, the pandemic is currently just kind of like turning everyone's world upside down. So I decided to just kind of try to be constructive at home because I'm at home a lot, obviously. So I'm gonna go through all the things in here that I don't need. At least I'm gonna try to get through most of it, you know, as much as I can. But I really want to organize my closet because I'm going to revamp my my wardrobe over time, and I feel like starting that would be getting rid of things that I don't need. Clearly, guys, it's summertime, so shorts are important. So I'm gonna put all the clothes that I know I want to keep in this basket, and I'm just gonna put it off to the side. Things that are gonna be hanging up, washing. I have dirty clothes everywhere. Don't mind my closet or my house because, oh, excuse me, I've just been laying around being a bum. So I have some things I need to wash. A lot of these clothes I've had over time. I would say maybe anywhere between like 5 to 10 years old. I probably had this pants since I was like living with my mom, which hasn't been for some time now. So I'm definitely, this actually needs to be thrown away. Like, that is not even worth giving it to anybody. This, I'm definitely gonna donate this because honestly, this is just, these shorts are way too tight, guys. I've suffered with my weight like my whole entire life. So one minute I'm slim, the next minute I'm not. So right now I'm not. So this pants is a no-go. So yeah, a lot of this has to do with like my past, like things that I used to wear a lot when I was back home and I was like living with my mom. So a lot of this stuff I don't really need. These are just like regular shirts. I guess, you know, I don't have to throw all of them away, but the ones that are old, I'm definitely going to throw away. I have like things that I wear for work now that I just kind of throw in this overhead pile. So I'm going to try to like do better in life because I know my girlfriend is always like getting on me about organizing my stuff and keeping the closet neat, and her side always has more organization than mine's, but because our closet is smaller, you know, it's harder to keep things a certain way if you're not like disciplined. Y'all, I was so big. Like, look at this. This probably fits me very comfortably right now, but you know, this pants is really old. That's just honestly taking up space. Some of this stuff is new. So, you know, it's like hard to tell the new from the old because everything is just kind of like mixed in with each other. Definitely gonna keep this. I have to separate my winter clothes from my summer clothes, and I'm getting ready to put new summer clothes in. So, you know, hence the clean out. You guys, I'm looking at it and I'm like, did I really wear this? Like, I thought it was cute. A lot of my clothes are like real comfy, throwback, kickback clothes. The more structured, the most structured I have to say I am with my clothes is probably to go to work because, you know, we have like, we have a dress code and you can't be like slutty at work. So I can't wear like shorts and stuff. So I do have like clearly that should be everyone's case, but not everyone, you know, has the kind of job that I do. Guys, I really love this shirt. And let me just tell you a little bit about this shirt. Babe bought me this shirt some months ago. I think Rue 21 or something like that. And I got this shirt and I wore it to work one day. And I was trying to sit down in the locker area, you know, with my girlfriend. We were just kind of like kicking it. And I slide down and the back of my shirt snagged on like the part of the locker, and it ripped like a huge hole in it. And it was like, I don't even know if it was halfway through my workday. I think it was like the beginning of the workday. And I literally did not have anything to change into. And I was so sad because I really love this shirt. I think it's so cute. And I was so determined to figure out what I was going to do with this hole in the back. So this is what I did, guys. I kind of just did like a little DIY thing where I kind of cut the fabric down the middle and off to the side, not too much. So we've actually cleared this top part up here so far, and I still have this side that is like this corner right here is still my stuff, and then back here is Bay's stuff. I don't know what she's gonna do with her stuff, but she always organizes her side, so I'm not worried at all. This little section right here wasn't really a lot to go through. I'm gonna show you guys. So this little section right here at the bottom right here, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like mostly like a shoe rack of stuff on one side. And then on the other side, I have this, see if you guys can see it some more. So I have my stuff right here. This is my things that Bae put at the bottom here, but they're like bottoms, like pants and stuff. But, you know, right here was like really cluttered with just like clothes and stuff. And so these are some shoes right here, but most of our shoes are not in here because our closet is so small, so we have to keep them out there on a shoe rack. All right, so this morning I cleaned out my closet and I folded up everything and I put it back where I said I would, but they decided to make me labels. I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like in a second, but I am so excited because I finally got my Fashion Nova package. All right, so we have 4 items, guys, that came in this Fashion Nova package. I want to do a Uhaul, but I want to have like all my complete outfits like put together so I can be like, y'all, this is what I look like. But you know, I can't do that. I can't do that if I don't have no outfit. You know, all I got is quarter outfit, so you know I can't really do that. But I'm definitely gonna show you guys right now what I got going on. So first item on the list is this very cute but simple bodysuit. And I got it in gray because I feel like I have enough black stuff, or maybe because it's really hot outside and I don't need to be wearing anything that's like black all the time. So I got a neutral color. It's gray, and it's the first time that I actually bought a bodysuit from Fashion Nova. So I'm actually very excited to try this out and see how it fits, and this ultimately will determine, like, you know, what sizes from this point on I can actually get and fit comfortably with the clothes that I buy from Fashion Nova. Okay, so my next item is this very cute high-waisted shorts. Guys, it's so cute. So I got this in a size large, I think, because that's all that was available, but I think a size large is ultimately what I do need. But listen, these shorts are so cute. The material is kind of like this silk kind of thing going on there. Let me see. Okay, so I don't even know. Okay, so this must be, yep, so this is my dress. So I just ordered like this simple black dress because, like I said, so I have not ordered from Fashion Nova in years, and I have to like really get to know my body size again and really just know along what scope of things I'm gonna be ordering, like in terms of sizes. But so I got this in a size large. Also, you know, I'm a little thick, just a little bit. So I got this dress. It's not that short, but it is very cute, and it's like a real throwback kind of dress. So I might put this on today. Let me see. We'll see what I feel like. Okay, so this is a pants that I bought, some jeans that I bought, right? And this for sure I want to try on right now because, you know, this is like my first wave of jeans that I actually bought from Fashion Nova. And like I said, I really want to know what my sizes are ranging between. But this is a high waister. And it's a size 13. Sis. That's not cool. Anyway, so I'm gonna try this on like right now. Okay, so these are the jeans that I got from Fashion Nova. And honestly, they could be a little bit more snug up top in the waist, but for the most part they fit me pretty cozy. Yo, I'm just like, don't mind the dirty clothes. Oh my god, please get out of my way. Please don't mind the dirty clothes. I have not done the dirty clothes yet. I will though. So this pants, I like how it fits, but it could fit a little bit more snug. But I like that it's a high waister and that it's spandex also, so you know I can honestly fit into this if I do expand, but I don't plan to. So okay, you guys, so that was pretty much all I got right now from Fashion Nova. I'm definitely waiting for my next set of stuff to come in. I don't know when that's gonna be, but I think it's supposed to get here on Monday, and that's when I have those other dresses coming. So now, you know, I like these jeans. I like this style of jeans. It fits pretty well. So we're just gonna wait and see how the other two pants fit, like when I get them. How cute are these shorts? I'm just gonna try these on right quick. It's definitely stretchy around the waist. I need pants to be stretchy around the leg area because my legs are fat. And okay, you guys, so these few items that I got from my Fashion Nova little order, you know, I'm gonna put together some outfits, and you know what I'm saying, I'll be doing some fit looks, you know, for the day. I got a lot of things that could really like kind of tailor to work a little bit because I spent a lot of my time at work, but I also, you know, love having just like kickback fits and, you know, things to just like go down the street, maybe go run some errands and, you know, stuff like that. So I'm gonna try on this dress. I'm gonna try this dress on and see. These pants are cute. I don't know what I'm gonna wear it with, but I'm definitely gonna find something to wear it with because these are definitely for like a night out or something. They're so cute. Problems. Whew. Boob, y'all, but you know, I should have enough for it. Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry, Elle. This is the dress. And this is how it looks up top. Great. So I think I have a pretty good selection of starter stuff from Fashion Nova. Comment down below what you guys think and what you want to see more of. I'm definitely going to try my very best to just put outfits together and just model them off because I just think that, you know, putting together fits are important when you want to like look good for a certain occasion, and you have to be prepared for every occasion. So with that being said, you guys, thank you for watching Drea TV. Again, if you're new to this channel, hit subscribe, support your girl, show me some love, share, like, comment, and again, subscribe. And don't forget, what did I say I wanted to say before I turn the video off? Anyways, wash your hands, guys. Be safe during this pandemic. Stay indoors if you need to. Stay home if you're sick. And I'll see you guys in my next